Am I the asshole for wanting normal food? I'm 35 and my wife is 33. We've been married for 5 years. Over the last year, she has become very serious about food. She cooks almost everything from scratch now: bread, granola, cookies, pasta sauce, and even crackers. Her food is good. She is a good cook, and I know she puts a lot of time and effort into it. That is not the problem. The problem is that sometimes I don't want a homemade version of everything. Sometimes I just want normal store-bought food, like frozen pizza, cereal, or snacks from the supermarket. My wife does most of the cooking and grocery shopping, so she thinks it makes sense to do things her way. She also says she doesn't want junk food in the house because it goes against her values. If I want unhealthy food, she says I should eat it outside. That really bothers me. Now I feel like I am hiding food at work or eating fast food before I come home. I'm an adult, not a child sneaking candy. When I bring this up, she says I'm being ungrateful. I do appreciate her cooking, but I also want some choice in my own home. So, am I the asshole for wanting normal food at home?